never seen it this busy.
Let's see what they got. You like the Mario one? That's pretty cool. That one's sold. I like this one. Look at that.
That looks pretty good.
Chainsaw. I'm going for the toy palette. It's Christmas time. It's gonna be fun.
I'm nervous.
Yeah. It's an expensive palette.
How much?
$1,200.
That's the most we've ever spent on one, I think.
But
Goodies
lots of
in
new
there.
toys, lots of small toys, and we are going to try whatnot. So we'll talk more about that later though. Let's go.
Does Roxy get to pick out a toy?
I think so.
It's raining today. Gotta protect the merch.
We just spent $1,200 on this giant pallet of toys from Amazon.
You may be wondering why. Well, we are doing a special edition because we are launching our official Whatnot store called Jungle Finds.
If you don't know what Whatnot is, it is a live auction. So we are going to be auctioning off all these toys live starting at $1 on December 9th.
At 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So
Yes.
there's some really good toys in here, so if you're looking for some Christmas stocking stuffers, things like that, you're gonna wanna be there. Plus, you get $15 if you use our link to sign up. So you could potentially get 15 free toys because we're starting everything at $1.
Yes, so click our link below. Make sure you go and you follow our Whatnot page and
Come to that show and you'll get the $15. So totally worth it. We're gonna open this and show you some of the goodies.
let's go. Oh my. Woo!
Whew, all right.
Look at this cute little guy, this little beach cruiser, little people. So cute.
Gabbys Dollhouse. That used to be a favorite around here.
Oh yeah.
Gabbys Dollhouse, all right.
Ooh, okay. What are these called? Funko Pops. I don't know much about these, but
People seem to like them.
people seem to like collect these, I think. Let us know if you know anything about them. I see quite a few in here, so.
Bike tire. That's kind of strange. And ooh, a little bead sewing kit here. So that's pretty good.
Oh, a puzzle. Look at this puzzle. I love puzzles.
I'm gonna
Cute.
keep that one.
Maybe.
So, you know, I have to confess, some of these are gonna end up in our own girls' stockings for our own Christmas presents.
For
We thought it'd be a
sure.
fun way to get some cheap stuff and also give away some stuff too. So
Yeah, this is pretty cool. Frozen library electronic reader.
oh, something's making noise.
Oh, VTech.
VTech, I know that stuff's kind of expensive.
Yeah, that's a cool toy. You can drive the little car.
That's cool. It's like
These
a little
are
video
some
game.
good toys.
Yep, this too. And I feel like I have a theory here. This, I feel like, is a Target color, Target brand, isn't
That
it?
is a Target brand,
So
yes.
maybe we got Target here, not Amazon. We'll see.
Yeah. Monster truck. Oh, check it out. Golden Girls Chia Pet.
That's awesome.
This could be yours for $1 on Saturday night.
Sweet.
Auction it
Golden
off.
Girls Chia Pet.
That's awesome.
Boxing gloves, but there's only one glove. So, boxing glove.
Oh, okay.
Kind of move. Right?
Batman action figure of sorts.
Those can be
Are these
collectibles.
valuable?
I don't know.
What's this? Stanley.
Stanley, very nice. Are those still the hot thing?
Those are still cool.
Another like makeup kit. Are these for, is this for like teenage girls or like, what would you?
Tween, maybe.
Okay. Cute, very
Cute
cute.
little thing.
Oh, we have that.
My daughter has this already, little music bear.
Wow, there's a lot of items here. We maybe have to do 2 Whatnot shows.
Yeah.
Oh, check it out. Buzz from Toy Story.
I am Buzz Lightyear.
I mean, that's gotta be like a $30 toy, right?
would
At
think
least
so.
40? Yeah, sweet.
What is this? Target brand Monopoly. I see like 5 of them in here.
Target Monopoly.
What?
Interesting.
What do you think like each place is? Like that different
Like,
aisles?
oh, here. Yeah, we got, looks like 5 or
That's
6
funny.
of these. Target Monopoly. You got Deal Dash, Community Chest, Furniture, Bedding, so like the different parts of the store. Vitamins, okay. So you're buying up different things at Target instead of real estate. That's kind of funny.
Okay.
All right.
Legends of, oh, I don't want to butcher it. That looks cool. Dragons, Sonic, little action guy, but the box is pretty damaged.
Yeah, so like a lot of this stuff looks like returns still or damaged box, but like this is like a toy gun of some kind, but it has all the balls still, so it just has a damaged box. So
yeah, this is totally Target stuff because this is like a little Keurig.
oh, nice.
Little toy Keurig. Like different volleyball type stuff, soccer balls. This guy. Cute little bus, little wagon.
So some of these things look perfect. Some of them have like little, this is perfect. Some of them have like damaged boxes. So for gift giving, what do you think? Is that gonna be
It
detriment?
depends. Yeah, for some. Like if it's a grandma, they probably would care if it looked like pristine. But like I wouldn't necessarily need it to look pristine to give to my own daughter.
That's true.
Right?
So yeah, and if it's a good enough deal, you can do it with a damaged box, right? I mean, come on.
There's quite a few of these little Gabbys Dollhouse. Those are cute.
How much? That's gotta be a pretty, I'm gonna look that up.
Yeah, I don't know. Another Batman guy. Looks like pretty good condition. What else?
All right, on Amazon, this is $53,
What?
which seems like too much. Sometimes stuff on Amazon is more expensive than at Target. though,
Yeah.
If it's a Target product.
Okay.
Still.
We'll have to look it up.
Sweet.
Got like a toy car or like a model car. What are these called?
A car?
Car.
Model car?
A car and a baby doll.
Ooh. What is this? Frozen electric toy.
Here's Olaf.
Another Frozen. Oh, he sounds like a chicken.
Yeah, sounds like maybe he's broken.
Well, maybe low batteries.
Maybe.
We'll have to check that out. We'll put no batteries in that and test that before our auction, but
Yeah.
that's cute.
It's like another VTech thing. What's cool about this palette is that there's toys for like all ages here. It's not just baby stuff. It's like there's collectible toys for like older kids.
That's true.
There's lots of different variety.
Big variety. I'm gonna check that. This one feels heavy and kind of like, I mean, Frozen is a pretty big deal around here, so. Looks like $140
What?
for whatever this is. It's an audio player, maybe it plays songs from the show. But hey,
Cool.
imagine if you got that for $1 or $5 at our auction. That would be
That would be
a
pretty
good Christmas
sweet toy.
gift. Yeah.
Yep. Here's like a good family game. The beanbag Tic Tac Toe.
Or these Funko.
Lots
I had never
of
really
those.
heard about these until a couple months ago. The term Funko Pops.
I see like tons and tons of these tumblers. This one isn't Stanley brand, but still like perfect and really nice.
Kind of cute.
Lots of tumblers.
We're going to be doing some giveaways as well. So some stuff on our Whatnot show will just be free.
That's true.
Just for being there, for following us. So I would definitely check that auction out.
Hot Wheels,
Nice. What do we
Dungeons and Dragons.
So, yeah, the colors. Oh, there's like a doctor kit in there. See that? Doctor kit. Interesting.
Little dinosaur. I'm curious about these guys. How much are these? Those little
Masters of the
cute
Universe.
little unicorn.
I'll scan that. Mattel. So there's like lots of name brand stuff in here. So most pallets we buy, a lot of it's like Amazon type Chinese stuff. These are like still Chinese, but name brand toys. You know what I'm saying?
Encanto, Play-Doh. Oh,
Oh,
look how cute that is. That's
you might keep that one.
my keep this
Yeah,
one.
that's
So much good stuff.
17 on Amazon.
So many tumblers. So if you want to like buy a bunch of, maybe we'll do like sets of tumblers for all your stockings. You can get super cheap.
Or maybe give away. We'll
Or
see.
give away.
Yeah. All right. This guy looks collectible. Some kind of a Asian toy there.
Oh, Princess Peach. Little remote control girl. I love her. Oh boy.
More Target Monopoly here. 3 more.
Ooh, Mater and what's the other guy's name? What's this guy's name?
Cars. Mick. What's his name? Mick.
I just know Mater. I don't know. My girls love this show, but they love Mater.
Lightning McQueen. That was it.
Lightning.
Yeah,
He's like the main one.
Yeah. Oh, this is a classic. Hungry Hungry Hippos. Classic 90s.
Check it out.
Oh.
Harry Potter Lego.
Ooh. Let's take a picture of that. That's probably worth.
Well, I don't know.
I mean, I know the
Legos-
smallest Lego ones are like $10. That's got to be 20 to 30, right?
Probably. I would
Alright,
guess,
let's
yeah,
look
in
it
the 30s. Oh, another Lego! This one's Jurassic Park.
Okay. Jurassic Park Lego.
Fun.
Lego sets. No one wants to pay full price for these either because they're
That's
expensive. $35 for the Harry Potter one.
Really?
So that one's probably
Probably
less,
20.
but still, yeah.
Little crafts. Oh, it feels kind of broken.
Okay, some more Marvel stuff here. The Flash. Oh no, sorry, DC, not Marvel.
Who's this guy?
The Flash. Here we
Girl. Ooh, Rhonda.
go. Ronda Rousey.
You know who that is?
Yeah, you should know who she is.
What? Oh,
Ronda Rousey.
my. You want to keep that?
Yeah, maybe I'll keep that for my office. Sweet.
Oh, some Paw Patrol roller skates. Oh, this is pretty sweet. I like this palette.
Beyblades. Your nephews were big into those.
Hot Wheels. These are good branded stuff.
I mean, okay, here we go. But just so you know, not everything is perfect.
Wow, okay.
Like this is unsellable. So we'll have to go through. What kind of freaks me out about this palette is the electronic stuff.
Yeah, we'll have to test it all before the
Test it
show.
all. And like, obviously we can't do anything with this, so.
Yep. Lots of these Gabbys Dollhouse, though. That is a
Yeah.
good gift for a little girl.
Crybabies. Our girls actually watch this show too. It's quite annoying. Crybabies. You know that, right?
Yeah, we do.
They would. That one they're not gonna get. So that'll be at the auction.
You're anti-crybaby.
The anti-crybabies.
What is this, Nerf gun of sorts?
No, it's a Orby blaster.
Oh,
Those are
cool.
fun. This Funko Pop may be worth more. It's Jurassic Park. It's 2. It's a dinosaur and a guy.
Okay. Here's like little more baby types toys. Alphabet, Barbie, all ages.
So this Funko is 25.
Okay.
So a little more valuable.
That's cool. Doo-doo kangaroo. What?
Oh.
That's a toy?
Maybe you could come to the auction and get your white elephant gifts too, because remember you get that $15 credit, so you could get a white elephant gift to
We're
give
pretty
away.
excited about it. You guys gotta come show up and hang out. It'll be fun.
Look, Batman, Barbie, stuff for everybody. Look at that. Oh, this Barbie. This Barbie has been returned for a reason. I
Oh.
can't see. It's been chewed up by a cat
Or a kid.
or a kid maybe. Yeah, I'll have to show that up close. Someone-
That's really funny.
That's
They even
funny.
put it back in the box.
Yeah, they tied it back up and stuff.
Little Frozen outfit. So Whatnot is all items that we ship. So no matter where you live, you can come to the show and we'll ship it to
If you live in the continental United States.
Yes,
that is.
that's true. Sorry.
Yes, not everywhere.
Check it out.
Oh,
Furby. Are these coming back?
this is actually a nostalgic one too. This I remember playing as a kid. Don't break the ice. You have little ice
What?
cubes. There's some nostalgic fun stuff here.
Furby.
Furby.
I did not know that was still a thing.
Furbies back in the day were like $100.
Really?
Yeah, you don't remember that?
No wonder I
When they were
never
the
knew.
rage? I know. I know.
That's
This
ridiculous.
one's 50.
Really?
So yeah, they're still kind of pricey.
Whoa,
Nice.
look at this guy. Monsters Inc. Sumo something.
Oh, cool.
I don't know. Yeet. Oh, more Play-Doh.
Several
That's
clearance
heavy.
tags on this, but yeah, that's the Sully. Nice.
Sully, that's his name. Oh, it's another Funko Pop.
Another Funko Pop dress.
Okay. More like dress-up costumes.
Another Stanley mug. A little more masculine color.
You don't like my
I
my
could probably
coral
drink out of
pink?
that one. Yeah, careful.
Yeah, this is
Don't
getting a
fall
little
in.
tricky
Don't
here.
fall in.
Like 50 of these little surprise things in here. My daughters love these and I hate how expensive they are. But, so you could be getting these for like $1 instead of 15.
Or maybe we'll do these in giveaways as well. So again, it's gonna be a fun time. You can come hang with us. We'll just see what happens, see what we auction off. So we may be doing several of these auctions too, because we got a lot of items. There's probably 300-400 items in this palette.
Yeah.
So we're not gonna do it all at once. That would take forever.
Yes. So each show will probably have like 50 items.
Melissa and Doug set of blocks here, 100 wooden blocks. Didn't you just buy this?
It's pretty similar, yeah.
Bought something very similar. Octonauts little play set here. Okay.
Marvel. Lots of good brand name stuff. Encanto, more little uniform or costumes.
So you gotta get the idea. We're only about halfway through this palette. Let me show you here. We still got all that in there to go.
So bottom line, you need to be at our Whatnot show. Click that link below to get your 15 free dollars. Come hang out with us live on December 9.
And at 8 p.m. EST, we'll see you at the show. We can chat, hang out, auction some stuff off. It'll be fun. See you there.
See ya.
Bye.